I'm First Class V back here again with another GCSS Army helpful tip video. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. So we're going to work on step 3 of the inventory process, and that is print a physical inventory. This is a very simple process, so let's get started. The T code that we're working in is MI21, print physical inventory. So make sure that you have your physical inventory document number on hand. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to execute, go to print preview, and as you see, here is your physical inventory document. Okay, so from here you will print and you are good to go. So if you notice it on the actual top header, it'll tell you who created the inventory, the physical inventory document number, and also the planned count date, which was today. So I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for more inventory processes, and like always, go Ordnance.